Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q7 versus the Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you understand which SUV might best fit your lifestyle and budget. We'll look at everything from engine performance and interior comfort to cargo space and overall value. Get ready for a detailed breakdown to guide your next vehicle decision. When it comes to performance, the Audi Q7 often boasts a robust 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering around 335 horsepower for a powerful and refined drive. The Volkswagen Tiguan, on the other hand, typically features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, offering about 184 horsepower, focusing more on fuel efficiency and practical urban commuting. Both offer distinct driving experiences tailored to different preferences. Inside, the Audi Q7 presents a truly luxurious cabin, featuring high-end materials and a sophisticated infotainment system with a large display. You'll find advanced driver assistance systems and ample space for up to 7 passengers. The Volkswagen Tiguan offers a practical and spacious interior, often seating 7 as well, with intuitive controls and a focus on everyday usability. Both prioritize comfort, but with different approaches to luxury and practicality. Considering value, the Audi Q7 commands a higher starting price, aligning with its premium brand and advanced features. The Volkswagen Tiguan provides a more budget-friendly option, delivering substantial space and functionality for its cost. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize luxury and power or practicality and efficiency. For more great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.